Good morning and welcome to our energizing morning yoga routine for energy and flexibility. This practice will help increase your energy levels, improve your flexibility and mobility, and set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Pose 1. Mountain pose. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, arms relaxed by your sides. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel your feet grounding into the earth. Inhale and reach your arms overhead, lengthening through the spine. Exhale and bring your hands to heart center. Pose 2. Sun salutations. We'll now move into a few rounds of sun salutations to warm up the body and increase blood flow. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, exhale, and fold forward. Inhale, lift halfway, exhale, step back into plank pose. Lower down into chaturanga and move into upward facing dog. Roll over your toes and come into downward facing dog. Pose 3. Warrior Eye. Step your right foot forward, back foot at a 45-degree angle. Inhale and raise your arms overhead. Exhale and bend your right knee, making sure it's stacked over your ankle. Keep your left leg straight and your back foot firmly grounded. Hold the pose for a few breaths. Pose 4. Triangle pose. Straighten your right leg, shift your hips back, and reach your right hand towards your right shin or the floor. Extend your left arm towards the ceiling and hold the pose for a few breaths. Take a moment to close your practice in a comfortable seated position. Bring your hands to heart center and take a few deep breaths. Feel the energy and flexibility you've cultivated in your body and carry it with you throughout your day. Thank you for practicing with me today.